Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your direct mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar and then search for direct mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your page. It will lead you to the direct mortgage login system, where you can enter your email address or cell phone number, and after you press next, it will ask password for you. Enter the password and then click on login. If you forgot your password, click on this link over here and it will tell you to enter a username and then you can reset your password. Now, if you want to create a new account, click on create a new account and the process is same. Enter your email address, phone number and press next and then enter your password and all of the personal information which Direct Mortgage asks to you. This way you can create an account and log into your account and start doing business and making payments of mortgages. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.